All right, number 19 from homework set number 7 is a big word problem, but it gives you a picture and it just wants you to find one of the sides. I can read it to you if you prefer. I can show you the picture from the book too. So it's this problem. So to approximate the length of a marsh, a surveyor walks 425 meters from point A to point B. Then the surveyor turns 65 degrees and walks 300 meters to point C, and he wants to figure out how big this watery part is that he couldn't walk across. Okay, so I really just want to find this piece. Okay, so we are going to use law of sines or law of cosines to find a missing piece of the triangle. And I know two sides, and I bet if we thought really hard, we can find this angle. Oh, wait. It's on a line, so it's supplementary to 65. So this angle right here is just 180 minus 65. So is that 115? Okay, so now I have to figure out if I'm going to use the law of sines or the law of cosines. Well, I don't know these two angles that are across these sides, and I know the angle but not the side across, so I'm going to do law of cosines, side angle side. So I'm going to do x squared equals the other two sides squared minus 2 times those two sides again times the cosine of the angle. Okay, now this is all on one side of the equation, so I can just jam this all into my calculator, but I'm going to square root it first, and I'm just going to type it all in, okay? That way I hopefully won't mess anything up. Like by, I don't know, trying to add all of these numbers when I can't because it's being multiplied by a cosine 115. So I'm going to type it in. 300 squared plus 425 squared. I mean, from here you should be okay, I hope. Okay, I get 615.14. Okay, and this is meters, and that's the length of the side AC, the length of the marsh. Okay, simple problem if you remember the law of cosines, if you just spend some time thinking about it and thinking of the tools you know, and realize you're trying to find a side, so you need to use some kind of trig. It's not a right triangle, so not just the trig ratios, but law of sines, law of cosines, okay? Some of you just need to just get in there and think a little more and maybe crack open the textbook and look at some examples, okay?